Good morning, everyone. Here's my Nilay Letranista. The Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. He guides me along the right paths for His name's sake. So, I started my portfolio by introducing myself. During our Module 1, we experienced Formar. And Formar is training to us and also giving us knowledge at the same time. And during Formar, the Dominicans they shared our experiences to us, and our Laudaritas is to make a Dominican checklist, and also at our Benediceritas, it's very crucial to me because it's not part of our daily routine. And my knowledge or learnings in Siluan is mas nakilala ko si God, and also sa Siluan is it helped me to know God and accept Him, and also I found myself because of Him. So nakita ko yung purpose ko at papasalamat ako kay God na nandyan siya para tulungan ako. And then I realized that hindi na iba yung Dominican sa atin, since namumuhay din sila kung paano tayo mamuhay, di lang puro dasal. Mas nangingibabaw lang yung faith nila kay God compared sa atin. Yun lang.